We are standing close to the Sukhoi 5th generation, Sukhoi 57E. It's a 5th generation aircraft.
Добрый день, господа. Ваше внимание предлагается краткий обзор истребителей пятого поколения Су-57E.
So at the moment we'll just briefly give you the presentation of the Sukhoi 57E aircraft.
Самолет отвечает требованиям, предъявляемым истребителям пятого поколения, в том числе.
The aircraft fully corresponds to the 5th generation aircraft requirements, which are as follows: supersonic cruise flight mode, low visibility, multi-channel firing, including most modern air weapons. All data has been given displayed to pilots, so he does understand the full situation around the aircraft, around the fighter. Capability to interact with various forces, type of forces, ground forces or naval forces, and the capability of interaction and data transmission with them. This is the idea of Sukhoi 57, is the capability to provide sati-centric actions. So provide as a networking system. Application of artificial intelligence as so-called second pilot or co-pilot to help main pilot to provide military actions and piloting as well. Specifically for Sukhoi 57E, a number of guided weapons have been developed and serially manufactured to provide and execute all types of missions, including air weapons of increased range. Its other key advantage is the capability to act in autonomous, self-sufficient air groups, including target distribution between those aircraft in a group, thus decreasing a number of aircraft that are involved in military actions, in combat actions. It fully complies with the requirements for the multi-purpose, multifunctional aircraft, because it executes the number of tasks at the same level as for the fighter missions and for attack missions. To decrease the radar signature of the aircraft, possibility of internal placement of air weapons have been provided for Sukhoi 57.
Причем внутренний отсек реконфигурируется как под средство воздух-воздух, так и под воздух-поверхность.
Various types of air weapons can be fitted there, whether it is an air-to-air type missile or missiles or air-to-surface. So the payload base can be configured depending on the assigned task. Reconfigured.
Самолет оборудован специальным бортовым комплексом обороны, позволяющим подавлять оптико-электронные средства противника, именно головки самонаведения ракет.
The aircraft Sukhoi 57E is fitted with the onboard self-defense suite that provides suppression of infrared homing heads of missiles. What is more, apart from its main mission, the radar of the Sukhoi 57E is capable of executing the suppression missions, so realizing the active missions for like jamming missions, apart from its main designation. The aircraft has been designed according to the integral layout, and it demonstrates great flight technical performances. I'd like to state that this aircraft has a feature of super maneuverability, super agility, and supersonic agility, supersonic maneuverability. The information and control panel display is built in accordance with the glass cockpit concept, so full glass cockpit. Thus, it makes it possible for the pilot to facilitate his operation with navigation data, with air weapons application modes, or other types of interaction with the aircraft. Everything's been made, everything's been designed to facilitate, to ease pilot's operation with the aircraft.
What engine does it have?
New engine, new type of engine.
Model name?
We are not able to answer the type.
Can
Can we say that it's fully stealth with all these rivets that we can see by our eyes now?
according to all expert data, all the expert, I don't know, maybe
Это основное требование было. То есть он реализован с использованием именно технологии малой заметности.
according
Stealth.
to experts from the Russian side, it does fully correspond to stealth features,
Сечение.
requirements.
Обратите внимание, сечение плоское,
You
фили.
can see the narrow body of the aircraft,
Да,
fins.
то есть он по конфигурации построен
According to configuration, it's been built with the stealth featuring,
материала, который снижает его заметность.
together with the covering of the aircraft that does decrease the radar signature.
То есть это требование, да.
That was the requirement, and it's been
Министерство обороны России.
fulfilled.
It's about the design of the X house. Why do you still use the rounded X house type, not the?
Понятно.
То есть
360 vector control. And thanks to this capability, it should be round one. So 360
Это намного
thrust vector
сложнее
control.
с точки зрения
It's more-
обеспечения математики,
It's more
обеспечения.
complex, more difficult to realize that feature.
Если вы посмотрите
It's much
пилотаж,
easier for the pilot to operate, to fly this aircraft. He doesn't think it over how he should control the stick, because he knows that the aircraft will respond trustfully.
у него нет
But compared with the F-22, it can also maneuver like Sukhoi 57.
у него вертикально.
F-22 only has the vertical thrust vector control, whereas the Sukhoi 57E has 360